Hello boys and girls, Ms. Johnson here today coming to explain to you how to submit or complete assignments using your HMH reading text online. Now we do know that in order to access our text, we first log into Rapid ID and then we click on the Ed icon, the My Friend Ed, the little orange looking guy with the weird hair. We click on that and then our textbook opens up for us, yes? Now, specifically to complete an assignment, this is what we do. We look here at the top and there's little Ed right there, the little orange. This is considered your banner, okay, this top part. And it tells you here to click the Assignments tab, okay? Then the Assignments tab will open up to the To-Do tab, which is a really cool tab. And it shows you all of the assignments that you have there, that you have not completed just yet. And so the way that they have the list sorted is that it's going to be the newest assignment, the most recent assignment that I've given you, that's going to show first. And the older assignments are going to move to the bottom, okay? So that's what that's going to look like when you first open your To-Do tab under Assignments. Okay? So once you're there, you find the assignment that you want to complete. Now, you can also filter, right? And sort your assignments. You can select it using the subject, whether it's reading or social studies. You can select or sort by the due date. And you may say, okay, I want to go ahead and do the things that are due now, and then I'll work my way back. Or if you want to go ahead and work on the assignments that are past due, so you can make sure you get those caught up, it will be your choice how you want those assignments to show up in your list. Okay? So now, again, the To-Do tab is my favorite. Okay? Between the To-Do tab and the Overdue tab. Those are really the two. When you click the To-Do tab to view a list of all of your assignments, it's going to show you the ones that you have not done. And it's going to include those that are also past due, right? So, you see here it says to do and then there's a number 3. So that's telling you that there are 3 assignments. Now, this is just an example. This is not what's going to show up when you log in because Ms. Johnson has not assigned you anything in there just yet. So these are just examples, okay? So you have the to-do column, the overdue, and the done, right? So everything will be there for you on your dashboard to show you where you stand. Next, you have the overdue tab. That's that tab in the center here in red. And this tab is going to list all of your assignments that you've not completed and that are past due. Okay? And then your Done tab, which is here in green, that tab is going to show all of the great work that you've already completed. Okay? And it'll be a list of it there for you. Okay. So, now that you know about the 3 ways to filter, what do we do when we find the assignment? So here we go. So we filtered out and we've chosen the assignment that we want to go ahead and complete. Yes? So you can do either of the following in the Actions column. You can either press the Start button, and you will use that button if you've never opened the assignment before. This is your first time opening it and looking at it. Or you can choose the Continue button. And you use that button to reopen an assignment that you've already at least looked at one time. Okay? And you might have opened it and you might have started the assignment and then mom or dad or your grandmother or whoever takes care of you may have called you to go and do something and you needed to stop, right? So you can come back to the assignment by clicking the Continue button. So, once you've chosen what you want to do, start or continue, your assignment will open up in a new window. Okay? And again, this is not your assignment. This is just an example. Okay? So, when the assignment opens, then you're going to just go ahead and click on it and you're going to complete that assignment. All right? Now, the steps to finish each assignment might be a little different depending on the assignment type, okay? But the directions will always be there for you, so please make sure that you guys are reading those directions. Don't skip over that part, okay? Now, this is where you guys should really probably focus, because we are going to be taking an online assessment this week and possibly Tuesday or Wednesday of next week. Yes? So, for an online assessment, to begin your assessment, you're going to click Start. Okay? And it says that you're going to move from item to item in the assessment. And so how you do that is right here at the bottom. It's going to show you what item number you are on. And to click to the next one, this is where you would click. It says to move to the next item, click Go. Or you can click the next item number to move to the next question. Okay? And if you need to go back to a previous item, you can click the back arrow or click the previous item number. Okay? Now, Ms. Johnson, once I've completed my assessment, what do? So you have to click the Save and Exit button. I'm sorry, not edit, but exit. Okay? So the work that you've done in the assessment is saved. You have to click that. If you don't do it, then everything that you've done, all the good work and hard work that you've done, it will not be saved. So please do not skip this particular part. All right? And so once you click the Save and Exit button, there's going to be a dialog box, and that's what this is. It's going to pop up for you, and it's going to ask you, basically, are you sure, really, that you want to turn this in, or do you think you need to go back? Do you want to resume? And that's what this word is right here. If you want to resume, then that means you want to go back and look over it, okay? Okay, so now, here we are. We've decided that we want to go ahead and move forward with our assessment, right? Now, it says, to complete the assessment and submit it for scoring, click Finish, and then a Submit Activity box will appear, and that's what you have here. If you have any questions that were not completed, the dialog box notes that. And to complete any unfinished items, you must click No. So if you have any questions that you might have skipped and you didn't mean to, those questions will be listed here. And so if you want to go back and make sure that you add answers to those, then you click No so that it will let you go back. Okay? But if you have completed everything and you're ready to move forward, then you click Yes. Okay? Now, once you've done that, if you completed the assignment, the status will show either continue or I'm done. Right? And it says, if you want to submit it to your teacher, then you're going to click I'm done. The completed assignment moves to the Done tab, and the system will tell me that you've completed the assignment. So if you want to review a completed assignment, then you just go back and you click Open. Okay? You want to go back and look over it. If you notice here, this particular assignment has an Open button and a Feedback button. If you have an assignment that has a feedback button, that means that Ms. Johnson has left you a note. And the note may be a suggestion on how to improve on your score or it may be me alerting you that I want you to retake the assessment or to redo the assignment, okay? You always want to make sure that you check that feedback button. But if the assignment does not have a feedback button, such as these assignments, then there's nothing there. That I didn't leave any comments for you, okay? And that's basically what this particular part is saying to you. If you see that feedback icon in that column, it means that I have left you comments about your assignment, okay? I do hope that this was helpful in showing you how to submit assignments for your HMH reading textbook online.